Not many brain cells were used in the making of this video. You have this person on the back of a pickup truck using himself as a ratchet human. First off, why don't you just buy a ratchet strap? It's not that expensive. Second, if you're gonna do this, at least think about the laws of physics. If you're gonna be on the highway with these boards angled this way, the wind's gonna get caught under and it's gonna push against. You're making life more difficult for yourself. If you load it the other way, it'll be more aerodynamic and you're not gonna have the board snapping in half like it did over here, right? You can see the air pushing and the board's just giving and snap. Not many brain cells in this video. Also, this driver over here, this is why I don't follow too closely behind trucks with hauls, because things could fall off and then now you're right in the path of it. You should create more following distance. You can park a car here. This is a parking distance. This is not highway traveling distance. As soon as that happens, this person has to swerve out the highway onto the shoulder to try to avoid the boards that fell on. Thankfully, this person, this human ratchet, was able to hold on and didn't fall off onto the highway too, because that would have been dangerous. None of this was a good idea. I don't know. This is why women live longer than men. Men have stupid ideas and think it's a great idea, and they go ahead and do it anyway. Stupid. If you're going to be following behind a truck, put some following distance. Don't follow right behind so you have enough room to stop. And try not to use yourself as a human ratchet. All right?